We back. The annoying village boy is back on YouTube.
Yes, our brother with my channel don't come back. I just want to update many of my people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do want to join this beautiful, beautiful family. Okay, turn the bell on so that anytime I upload video, when I go dey receive am bye. Let that be this our brother with my about his channel when many of us we say maybe he rent her out. Many of us say they hack her. Many of us say maybe, you know. Now, thank God, the main importance of everything, say, he don't receive his channel back, and he come out by himself with him out. I'll still put the video, say they hack his channel. Say, when they hack his channel, say, all his phone, in fact, everything black. They sign it out, and everything, his phone black. For 3 days, he not back. But all those hackers, why una not get una own? Why una not fit go work una own? Why una just sit down? Wetin person don't do, don't work for. Now just sit down and say they want collect am just like that. It don't make sense. You can put that. In fact, you can put yourself in that person's shoe. Wetin you don't work for all your life. In trickle of eyes, one person will just come, just collect am. How you go feel? If you know say e no good for you, you no like am. Why going to somebody things wetin e don work for you just hack am? It don't make sense. So it don't make sense. And our brother would mind say, it can happen to anybody. That is true. You know, when something come out, rumors, everything go they go on, and people different mouths. You know, for me, I deliberate on, is this true? Say they re-hack your account. What did they happen? My first video. The second video, I watched one of our brother Ghana. Yet other man, I watched this with my friend. I'll come into that. When he come to my comment section, say no, not live. You know, when the boy they analyze and they talk and say happen for South Africa and blah blah blah, this and that. Say and he rent her out. My people, me personal, I forget to use my mic for the beginning. Me personal, where I get voice. Me personal, I was little bit confused. I say, if not true, say na business still use am too. Okay, but behold, our brother say, no, he not fit use his channel say make business. Those people go fit pay him when he go come make him release the channel. You see, sometimes it's good for us to wait for the person when we get the matter. But why? Now the love and how we'll see our brother when they travel all over the world, show us things, they'll just hack China just like that. You know, many of us was with the fear, we can't fear for the channel. We can't say they think how they'll just wicked this guy like this. What did he do to people? Different news. Some people say maybe now because of interviews, president of Ghana, now because of politics, you know, a lot. Because throughout that day, I was busy watching video to see who go say, you know. But glory be to God, say the main important is say our brother Woodmire channel is back. Yes, that is the only thing when we just pick out. His channel don't come back. All of us, when they say he rent her out, he give her to Bitcoin. Many of us now we don't see say he not give her to Bitcoin. Now just the people who think say they know it all, or who think say they feel just take another person glory just in trickle of eyes. Now them when they know say they not pass God. With God, all things are possible. Now the people they try to collect his channel, but glory be to God now. He don't get his channel back. Yet I said I bring and come my people. And that means I do short. You know, say short. Not be everybody short. They read, they meet. I say, may I do see that talk. May I do this, see that talk. And tell my people, say, glory be to God. Victory is for us. Victory. Hallelujah. 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 Victory. Now victory be for us. Okay? Our brother would mind I don't come out. He don't clear the hair. I watch when his wife say, he reached the extent of saying, she want come outside to start going like to start no they blast them. She can say what if they come for me? Why they come for you? Our wife me when I come make video blast for my channel say hey would my channel don't hack they hack I be our brother come out let us know if they hack your channel hey they'll come for me. No, they will not come for you. Okay, they will not come for you. At least to reach out to people who they worry about your husband. Where I understand 3 days person not bath. That one shook. Hey, glory be to God. Where all of us don't they laugh now. Before we don't laugh, our face strong, our face, you know. And our brother would Maya say, a lot of people even get in your contact. They don't reach out to him. They just start busy making video. Our brother, you come. You know, say his TikTok can say your phone, in fact, it black. Your phone not they on. Maybe a lot of people will try to reach out to you. You not fit reply because your phone blank. Or because a person like me, I reach out to you for Instagram. I never reached out to you before, but when I see the thing, I was shocked, because you be big YouTuber when many of us they look onto for these streets, and you're doing and how you take the touch life and how you take the make sure say you talk to our people for diaspora, make them invest back home, and how you take they show us the good part in Africa. Why would just see something they happen to you? Me personal, I don't even know how to put it. You understand? I reach out to you and you say you see a lot of people who reach out to you, but your best friend, some of your friends, they just start making video. Yes, they need to make video to give information out, say your channel don't hack. So that people when get close to you or people when go fit one, make they start work. Because as me just see, I don't know what to do. I make video because I need to make video. A lot of people now, people when get your word for mind and they will make video. Now people when you say what do you they do it good. Some people that mass we make this video reach. Some people still they not make. They'll say what is your friend say you're mofu, not consign me. Some people still they like that. You know that people like us when you make video. It good and you still appreciate us. And second, you say me would they make video. Say us everywhere. Would buy your channel don't hack. Me I they make video about you. When you demand the diplomatic passport, that your diplomatic passport when you ask for. Me, I make video about it. Now the good thing for you. Now what you really want. I make video about it. After I make video about it, I do live stream about it. I ask people on my video, do you think say would Maya deserve this diplomatic passport? A lot of people on my comment section, the few people where I still get, I don't big. They say, yes, you deserve to get that diplomatic passport. I make live stream. I make sit down video. The two, they my channel. I always, when I see things, if I'm not busy, I talk my brother. Because as you talk, say, may we start promoting ourselves. We should stop, we should stop today and bringing ourselves down. If not be your turn today, can be your turn tomorrow. Who you see say they success, who you see say they grow, who you see say they climb. Follow and happy, follow and dance so that your own go come with you. When you they follow people, they rejoice. You are rejoicing on your own ahead of you. You they rejoice your own when they come. When they on the way, when they come. May we stop the hate. Okay? If my brother, me, I always they make video about you. Yes, I always they make video about you. If we still make video about you now, we still they mention now. Maybe not say they recognize us. Yes. Maybe not say they recognize us. It not stay easy. Some people when they make video about it, they do think hand like this, like now we do yourself, but somebody like you, I know say you not fit do one. Yes, I know say you not fit do one. Big shout out to Woodmaya friend who take his time. Yes, go people like us under comment section. They tell us say no, Woodmaya not sell a channel. They really hack am. Try contact me. They really hack am. Go explain am more better to you. I go put in name. I know if you pronounce whether ni. I'm sorry, man. I don't know your name. Thank you, bro, for stand by Woodmaya. You they watch Woodmaya back. God will bless you. That guy. Maybe now waiting he still know, or now waiting he still here. But I not really know. I not really know. Glory be to God. Our brother channel is back. Woodmaya channel is back. Okay. Everything are double. Nah, everything are double. Woodmaya say he lose 3,000 subscribers. Guy, please. If you're there among of the people who's unsubscribe Woodmaya channel, he's back. Please go and subscribe back. Woodmaya channel is back. Okay? That is why we come they say, no, pardon the noise today. Now showing them my children too. That is why we they say person like me say now for quick come out, address to now followers, address to now subscriber. Our channel don't hack. I understand what your friend say. No, he's supposed to use the channel to reach out to people, not by going Instagram, not by so that it go make revenue from it. Well, now choice. But for me, that 3,000 which quick come out, give information out. Say, me una not worry, everything will be fine. Me una not may una not give it ear to any negativity or those things. May una not fall victim for, I believe say those 3,000 subscribers, they not go. But any disappointment is a blessing. I believe say many people when you subscribe, they'll say our brother don't come back now with Maya, they will subscribe back. This is subscribed by fact. Before trickle of eyes, before anything now, our brother will hit 2 million. Guys, let's take our brother to 2 million. You want no now, please, if you never subscribe. You'd always they watch him. Why not subscribe? Okay, join his beautiful family. You go enjoy and he travel all over the world. He bring the best out of Africa. Are you a European? Are you America? Any part of the world when you be. If you want to really know everything about Africans, subscribe to Woodmaya channel. Okay, and so I get to talk. I'll see you in my next video. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hey, celebration time, hey. Everybody make una come, let us celebrate. Oh, I want December, just to celebrate. Hey, jubilate, hey, every December, for God has saved us. Oh, lo.
I don't know what to say, because what happened to me can happen to anyone else. Listen, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for the love and support. Listen, I saw your messages and I felt like, hey, Maya, calm down. It as well. Because everyone out there was rooting for me to get this channel back. Even my YouTube strategic partners were all worried, like, hey, Maya, we're going to try all we can to get this channel back. A big shout out to some of you were making videos. I saw all the blog posts. Some of you are even my friends. You know, they know me, like they have my numbers, but they're not even talking to me. But they were blogging about me. I was like, well, I still don't see myself as the guy who has 1 million subscribers. I walk any day, anytime, anywhere. I don't really care about the numbers. All I care about is I'm here to make an impact. Listen, when my channel got hacked, my phone blew up to the extent that I had to switch off my phone. My phone was actually 8 hours. See, 3 days. Because it was just back and forth, trying to get this channel back. 8 hours to get this channel back. So you have to know that a lot has gone behind the scenes. I want to say thank you so much. I'm not going to come here to tell you what happened. If you ask me what happened, I don't even know, because all I saw was that my Gmail has been logged out of my account. So all my account that Gmail is connected to was logged out. And the next thing I saw was somebody on the channel to someone else. Are you crazy, man? The worth of this channel is not worth that money, bro. I mean, it's not about money. It's about lives that I touch with these videos. I'm not the first person that the channel has been hacked, but I know that if your channel get hacked, which means you are a target. And I've been behind the scene with YouTube trying to talk to them about these things that is happening. It's gonna happen to you, but keep doing your thing and make sure all your accounts have been protected. I had 2 verification from Google. I know so many of you saying, how can a big guy like Wode doesn't have 2 authentication? Is it verification, 2-step verification? I had it. The hackers jumped it. It is what it is. And I don't know what to tell you guys. I just came in here to tell you guys that we're back and you'll see me again tomorrow. I love you guys and I'll see you all in the next one. Hey, listen, I lost 3,000 subscribers already. And I know that most of you subscribe because you realize that the channel doesn't belong to me anymore. Do me a favor, subscribe. I mean, after the channel being hacked, we should take this channel to 2 million, right? And those of you that were blogging, I think we should not wait for negative news before we start blogging about people. I never knew I was this important because I was seeing myself on TV and I'm like, how? I was seeing myself on all the major blogging pages in Ghana and I'm like, how? I was seeing myself on every platform. Listen, I think I need to send this message across. You guys need to start blogging about the video I'm going to post tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Because I feel like we should start supporting content creators. I mean, with the content that you do, you shouldn't wait for negative news before you guys start posting. Am I ranting? I wasn't supposed to rant, but I feel like it was too much. And to those of you who have been calling me, I'm gonna last.
Now everybody go to breakfast.